Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about text similarity in Python. Sometimes we might have to recognize text that is similar to other text, even when the two are not equal. Python library provides tools to detect differences between two sequences in the difflib module. We are going to compare a couple of strings. We can use the difflib sequence matcher to compute the similitude from 0 to 1 between the string. So first I'm going to create a string which are some similar. I need to import difflib module. Import difflib, and I will have s1 a string. My name is Awesome, and then I will have another string s2 which is set to my name is Peter. These strings have some similarity. The name is person name is the difference between this we can compute by using a difflib sequence matcher and pass in the first argument a none, and then our s1 and s2, the string we want to compare or check the similarity between the strings, and at the end I need to pass in false and then call ratio to get the ratio of similarity or the difference between these strings. So it's gonna be, I will pass this whole thing to a print function so we can print the result back. Just gonna save it and run. This is a uppercase M sequence right here. Just need to save it. And this one is a ratio. We don't need n. And here is the output, and our similarity is equal to close to 70% between these strings. So I'm going to add another string which will be less similar. So it's gonna be f3 some other word, just hello world. Let's go with this one. And now I'm going to compare s1 with s3. I will replace this one with s3. Let's see what we get for this. And here's the output, and we can see like similarity is very less, and they are not very similar and have very little in common. So this way you can use a difflib module in Python for text similarity. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.